If you are actively searching Claude Opus for free, then this video is for you. I am currently using Claude Opus 4.8 for free in my Claude Code and in my Visual Studio Code as well, where you can get $125 initial credit and you have also get $25 credit per day. If you want to use Anthropic model, then let's get started. First, go to your favorite browser and search for the agent router, where agent router provide us this service. Agentrouter.org will be reflected at the top. Open it, create your account. Here it will provide three-way for the authentication, where GitHub and sign in with email is the most popular, but when I try with email, it didn't support and I don't get any initial credit. That's why I'll prefer to use GitHub, where to activate and to get your initial credit, your GitHub account need to be created at least 30 days ago. Otherwise, you can get it. Let's continue with GitHub. Authorize it. Then you are landed it on the console section from where you can easily create your API key. Before that, I will explore you the dashboard where you can get initial credit of $125, which is the huge amount. Okay. And in the wallet section from where you can invite your friend and you can get initial reward from your invitation link. If anyone log in and register, then you can get rewarded. Let's explore the documentation section where you can use agent router API key in many platforms, in VS Code, in Claude Code, in Open Code. In today's video, we are going to implement it in Claude Code. To use it, here it will provide the base URL, model, token, everything. To use Claude, you also need to install Node.js and npm. First, verify does Node is installed in your system. If version will be reflected, which means Node will be available in your system. After that, install the Claude Code. Copy this command and paste it here. If you are not installed it, after that, verify if version will be appear, which means Claude Code will be successfully installed. This is the two things that you have required before using it. After that, you are ready to use. When you have installed Claude Code, .claude folder will be created in your directory. To use agent router API key, it will provide all the documentation section. And first you need to open this .claude folder inside your editor, any editor that you are currently using. I will show you the easiest way. Open your Visual Studio Code and type Command-Shift-P and install this code command. Search it and install it. After that, code command will be accessible in any terminal from where we can easily open any folder which will be created in any directory. Then type code directory .claude folder and press enter. After that, .claude folder will be open in Visual Studio Code. If you have just downloaded Claude Code and using it for the first time, then this settings.json file is not there. Don't worry, create new file and give setting.json as a name. After that, I will provide this, all the code is in the video description and all will be available is in the documentation section as well. First, copy the base URL and provide in Anthropic base URL and copy any model that you are interested to use. Here it will provide Anthropic 3 model, Claude 4.6, 7 and 8. I want to use latest one, Claude Opus 4.8. Provide it in both Anthropic model and model section and leave Anthropic API key as empty. Now you are require more important things, which is app token. Go to the console section and create token. Provide any name that you want to give. Set it token grouping default. Expiration date, I will set it for 1 hour only for tutorial purpose. Quota setting, set how many balance do you want to use. After your provided limit, it will unable to work. Instead of this, I'll provide it unlimited. It will use all the available balance from my account. And you can also restrict any model that you didn't want to use. Not only Anthropic model, you can also use GLM and GPT model as well. After that, submit it and didn't share your API key with anyone. I will delete my API key before video is published and replace it in the Anthropic app token section. Now, configuration part is ready. After that, you can easily use it. I'm sure that it will perfectly working. To use, type Claude and press enter. Claude Code will be open inside your terminal. If you are new in Claude Code, first it will ask to select theme. After that, it will ask, do you want to use this custom token? After that, it will again ask you to permission. Claude Code will be able to edit, customize. Do you want to give permission? Give all the permission. Then you are landed it here. You can see Claude Opus 4.8 will be reflected and it will working perfectly. I have tested it. It will respond in 5 seconds. Let's test it by building one simple snake game to test its feature and capability. How is it work, how much time it will take, and how much token it will consume to build this snake game. It will ask some permission, give the permission. After that, it will prepare it and give you the code. And it say now everything will be ready. You can use it. I will ask them, can you run this snake game? Sorry for this spelling mistake. Now it will open and it will working perfectly. You can see score, best score. It look like real snake game. By this way, you can easily use agent router API key and work it inside your Claude Code. And you can see it will only takes $3.36 to complete this one snake game, which is another important thing. If you think it will give 125 credit, but it will complete it within the 2-3 prompt, no, it will working perfectly and it will respond fast as well. This is the way that you can use Claude Opus 4.8 in your system, and you can try other model as well. If you can use GLM, then this credit will be more than sufficient for you, where you can also get $25 credit each day. If you require more credit, you can invite your friend and relatives as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. Have a wonderful time and happy coding.